I'm going to answer the question that tons of people ask but rarely do. How do you install an anti-theft system in your car, actually? We're talking the kind that makes thieves walk away, not just a blinking LED that impresses exactly no one. The first thing people get wrong is thinking they need to be expert mechanics. You don't. You just need to be a little patient and not mind reading wiring diagrams that look like someone spilled spaghetti onto paper. Most systems cost $40 to $200, a small price for losing your $8,000 car. Before you even open the package, disconnect your car battery. Yes, really. Skipping this step is a surefire way to spark, blow a fuse, or fry your car's delicate computer like a Pop-Tart in a thunderstorm. Most headaches start here, trust me. Typically, the anti-theft module gets mounted under your dashboard. Awkward and dark, with plenty of wires just daring you to snip the wrong one. You'll need a screwdriver, wire strippers, butt connectors, and some zip ties to keep things civil. YouTube is full of videos, but 80% move too fast for actual humans. You're looking for the ignition wires, the brainstem of your car's starting process. Pro tip: buy a cheap multimeter at Harbor Freight instead of playing guess the wire. Test to confirm which wire is which. Don't rely blindly on color codes because manufacturers like to keep us humble. Most systems plug right into the ignition circuit. That means you cut the starter wire, attach the anti-theft relay according to the diagram, then solder and tape things up better than you wrap Christmas presents. Get this wrong and your car just became an expensive lawn ornament. Next up, the siren and sensor placement. Put the siren in the engine bay, but steer clear of moving parts and water spray zones. Door sensors need to hide in the door jambs, where clever thieves won't immediately rip them out. Magnetic sensors like to take their vacations, so check their alignment. Route all wires away from heat and moving parts. Zip tie every 6 inches. Why? Because nothing says amateur like a bundle of wires dangling onto the pedals. Pro tip: hide your control module deep, not just because of thieves, but also to avoid your own future self cursing past you during repairs. Now it's on to the programming and testing phase. This is always where people get stuck. Most systems need the ignition on and a sequence of button pushes right out of a video game cheat code. Have the manual handy. Don't wing it unless you like setting off your own siren at midnight. Test everything before you reassemble the dash. Lock and unlock the car. Trigger the alarm with a door. Start the car with the system disarmed. It's embarrassing to get everything back together and realize you've locked yourself out electronically. Double-check every function. You want thieves frustrated, not yourself. If your car is modern and controlled by CAN bus wiring, stop now. Those systems require specialized modules and can brick your electronics if botched. This isn't a beginner Sunday project if you have a push-to-start or advanced immobilizer, so seriously consider a pro installer unless you love living dangerously. Biggest pain point? Time. Plan for a full afternoon. The average install takes 2 to 4 hours, even for people who know what they're doing. Rushing only guarantees you'll forget screws, lose trim pieces, or spend half the night debugging why nothing works. Go slow and triple-check as you go. Final tip: the best anti-theft systems are the ones the thief never finds. Hide your wiring, avoid drilling obvious holes, and for extra paranoia, add a kill switch only you know about. 2022 statistics say cars with anti-theft systems are 46% less likely to be stolen. That might save you a $500 deductible and your sanity.